Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 24, OV 122. मायलेकात जैसी प्रीती प्रेमबुद्धी उभयतात असती तेथे ही कळ उद्भवली नसती क्रोधवृत्ती उठतीच ना. Just as there is love between a mother and a son, if that same loving feeling had existed between both of them, then this situation would not have arisen and there would be no question of angry feeling. चाबुके हाणिता हासे उसळे फुलाच्या मारे रडे कोसळे वृत्तीचे तरंग भावना बळे कोणास न कळे अनुभव हा. When one is whipped, laughter bursts forth, while when one is showered with flowers, one feels like crying. Waves of reaction depend upon the imagination and the understanding. Who has not experienced this? नवल बाबांची सहज युक्ती बोल बोलती समयोचिती जेणे श्रोते अंतरी निवती बोध ही घेती तात्काळ. There is novelty in Baba's simple ingenuity. He chose words suitable to a situation, which soothe as well as teach the listeners immediately. ऐसेच एकदा पोट रगडता उपजली बाबांच्या परमभक्ता कळकळ दया आणि चिंता तिची अतिरेकता पाहुनी. Similarly, once when Maushibai was pressing Baba's stomach vigorously, a staunch devotee felt pity and concern. म्हणती बाई दया करा ही का अंग दाबण्याची तऱ्हा अंतरी थोडी कीव धरा तुटतील शिरा बाबांच्या. He said, Bai, be gentle. Is this a way to press the body? Have some compassion. Baba's veins will break. कानी पडता इतुकी अक्षरे बाबा स्थानावरुनी सत्वरे घेऊनी आपुला सटका निजकरे भूमी प्रहारे ताडिली. No sooner than Baba heard these words that he got up from his seat, picked up his satka with his hand and struck the ground with it. चढली वृत्ती दुर्धर क्षोभा समोर कोण राहील उभा नेत्र खदिरांगार प्रभा फिरती सभोवार जई. He got enraged and none dared to stand before him. His eyes became red like live charcoal and he glared all around. अंधारी मार्जाराचे बुबळे देवी चमकती दिवसा डोळे वाटे नयनीची ज्वाळे आताच जाळीतील सृष्टी. Just as the cat's eyes shine in the dark, his eyes gleamed during the day. It seemed that a flame from the eyes could immediately burn the universe. सटक्याचे टोक दो हाती धरले पोटाचिया खळगीत खोचले दुजे खांबात समोर रोविले घट्ट कवळिले खांबाला. He took hold of one end of the satka with both hands and pressed it in the hollow of his abdomen. The other end he fixed to the post in front and tightly embraced the post. सटका लांब सव्वा हात शिरला वाटे सबंध पोटात आता स्फोट होऊनी प्राणात ओढवेल क्षणात तैवाटे. The satka, which was about 2 or 3 feet long, seemed to have fully gone into the abdomen, and all feared that at any moment the abdomen would be ruptured, thus ending Baba's life. खांब आढळतो काय हाले बाबा जवळी जवळी भिडले खांबास पोटाशी घट्ट आवळिले पाणी पळविले देखत्याचे. Baba began to go closer and closer to the post, which was fixed, and immovable, and pressed his abdomen firmly to it. All the onlookers were terrified.